Morning, preppers. So, it's Friday. Happy Friday. A little bit difference in the day here. I'm going to zip that up a little bit more. And wanted to start the day by talking about the stream last night. The stream last night was, as usual, pretty damn good. It seems to be getting better every single time we do it. Everybody loves the fire. I definitely need to do the, well, I call them a Swiss fire log, but if you Google them or you search for them on the internet, their name changes. It's a Swedish candle. It's a Swedish fire log. Anyway, and there's 1,000 different ways to make them. But basically, it's a fire. Everybody loves that crap. So, during the stream, somebody brought up a social credit score. And it was like, where did this come from? And yeah, I know China's doing something like that. But I was just like, whatever, and we just kind of blew it all off. Later that night, my girlfriend says, you got to watch this. And it was an episode of Black Mirror. And I can't remember the name of it, but I'm going to look it up and I'm going to put it down in the description so you guys can find it. And it was just ironic. It was so weird. Like, these people that were just walking around like with their phones and swiping and always trying to get their social credit score number up. And, there was this just long drawn out story and just watching this woman slowly fall, making one mistake in life and how her score dropped and it just destroyed her life. But come to find out, none of it mattered. And none of it mattered because in the end, she was freer than she was before, when she started trying to increase her social credit score. So throw all that out there. That's a little homework for you. I think it's half an hour, 45 minutes long, but it was a really good episode of Dark Mirror. I think it's called Dark Mirror. But yeah, I'll find that and I'll put the name of that down below, and you guys get a little bit of weekend homework for you. This weekend, I'm not going to stream tonight, but I am going to stream on Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern. And as usual, there'll be some good content there. I've got a couple of things I want to talk to you guys about. And obviously, we'll do some jibber jab and enjoy a little bit of adult refreshments. But today for me, the stove got taken care of yesterday. There's some little hints about it. And then the tent's supposed to come in today, and then we'll start building from there. All right, guys, I want you to, if you don't see me again, which I'm sure you will by Saturday, have a great day, have a great weekend, and stay safe. And, yep, it's Friday, so woohoo, boop.